Hello and welcome to DataPeek. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to turn small case or mixed cases into uppercase or capital letters in Excel. So here I have different state names of United States, and as you can see, some of the state names are in lowercase, some of them are in all uppercases, and some of them are in mixed cases like a combination of smaller cases and uppercases. Now let me show you how to turn all of these state names into uppercase. In Excel we have a function called upper. To call any function in Excel, just type equal to and start typing the function upper, and you can see the hint section here converts a text string to all uppercase letters. Just tap to open this function and select this cell, close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now we have turned Kentucky into uppercases. To copy down this formula to rest of the cells, just place your cursor in the bottom right corner and you can see this plus icon. It is a fill handler, and just double click. I'm pressing Ctrl Z to undo the action. To copy down the formula, the second way is to hold your left click when the fill handler is active and just drag down the cursor to the rest of the cells. This way we can turn text into uppercases or capital letters. But here there is a caveat. We can see there are some spaces before the state name and after the state name in some instances. Now I'm going to select this first cell again, and in Excel we have a function called trim which removes spaces before and after the words. Call this function, just start typing. I'm going to enclose this upper inside the trim function. Just start typing trim. And you can see the session removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words. Press tab to open the function and close it and hit enter. Select the first cell. When the fill handler is active, double click, and now you can see it has turned the text using upper function and it has eliminated all the spaces before the words and after the words by using trim function. So by using the combination of trim and upper, we can convert all the text into upper and as well as eliminate any spaces before and after the words. That's all folks, that's a quick tutorial on how to convert text into uppercase or capital letters. Please do subscribe to DataPeek for more Excel tutorials and I'll catch you in another Excel tutorial. Thanks.